I think I've gone as far as I can with this tank. It's just not going to work. I can't get it to do just what I want it to do. It did look like it was going to go in quite well, but I can't get these seams here to line up. So I don't know whether I'll call it a fail yet, but I've just about had enough with stuffing around with this. There's plenty more of this bike I've got to work on, so I'm going to give the tank a miss for a while. Maybe I'll get another tank, or maybe a damaged tank with a decent tunnel insert, and I'll cut this back out again. Maybe not, I don't know. I've given it my best shot for the time being, but it's just beyond my skill set. You get that?
Well, I really got no one else to blame but myself. I cocked this tank up right from the beginning. On the bright side, it's been a really great learning curve. I've learned a lot stuffing around with this, so maybe if I've got to do another one, it might come out a bit better. I do have another tank, XJ900 tank. It's got a lot of rust in it, as most of them do, but I can use some material out of this to make patches. Maybe that job might work out a bit better. I hope so.
So what am I going to do on the bike? I don't know. Well, there's plastics that need to be sanded and painted. Yeah, there's bits and pieces. I'll pull the front end out of it and sandblast the fork legs, paint them up, do all that sort of stuff. Make it look a bit different. Well, don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment, all that sort of crap. Cheers. Catch you next time.